Okay, let's do this. Hello and welcome to uCast Talks. This is the podcast where we decode the trends that are shaping the future of OTT. And today we're diving into a topic that's shaking up traditional TV. And we'll be talking about how OTT is disrupting DTH markets. So we'll talk about why satellite TV is evolving, what hybrid OTT DTH models look like, and what this means for operators, especially for operators in the rural and emerging markets. So let's get into it. So the DTH, direct to home, is a satellite-based television delivery. It's been the dominant TV delivery technology for decades, especially in rural and hard-to-reach areas. Just think of big providers like Dish TV in India, Direct TV in US, or Sky in UK. So these are all classic examples of DTH players. But the times are changing. So the global internet penetration is rising. According to Statista, for example, over 5.3 billion people are now online. And this means that broadband infrastructure is expanding even into those low ARPU regions, right? So as a result, IP-based delivery is gaining ground. OTT platforms can now bypass satellites and reach viewers directly over the internet. This is a massive shift, and it's forcing the DTH operators to rethink their strategy. But this also isn't the end of satellite. Instead, many operators are now going hybrid. They're combining their DTH broadcast backbone with OTT features to deliver catch-up TV, VOD, and multi-screen support. So a great example would be Claro Box TV in Latin America that integrates traditional satellite with IP-based layer. So these hybrid deployments are ideal in markets where bandwidth is limited, but it's also slowly improving. That way they offer best of both worlds. So the viewers get reliable TV via satellite and flexible on-demand content via OTT. So from uCast side, we see this trend accelerating. More and more operators are reaching out to us and they want to migrate their legacy DTH infrastructure into a flexible, modular IPTV OTT platform that still supports satellite fallback. Let's talk money. Satellite capacity is expensive. Leasing transponder space costs millions annually. On top of that, there's also set-top box logistics, dish installations, maintenance, and so on. It all adds up fast. And just compare that with IP delivery, where you have low distribution costs, where you have scalable CDN models, fast service rollouts, and there's no need for physical infrastructure per each household. The operators that are moving to IP can launch faster and scale much smarter. According to reports, the OTT delivery models are up to 40% cheaper in operational costs compared to full satellite delivery for similar user bases. So you might be wondering, what about rural areas? Is DTH still the best option there? Traditionally, yes, but even that's changing. Thanks to low Earth orbit satellite internet like Starlink and expanding 5G coverage, the rural broadband is becoming widespread and quite viable. And this opens the door for OTT-based services even in all those remote areas. So we're already seeing projects in Sub-Saharan Africa, in Southeast Asia, where OTT is used in combination with satellite or with local Wi-Fi networks to deliver the TV content. So operators who adapt now can really prepare for the future, be ready to switch from this hybrid to full IP infrastructure once the technology allows it. So to wrap this up, DTH isn't dead, it's transforming. Hybrid DTH plus OTT is the current sweet spot. IP delivery brings this scalability, cost efficiency, and the readiness for the future. And even the rural markets that were once thought unreachable for OTT are now catching up fast. So at uCast, we're helping operators bridge this gap. Whether you're looking for augmenting your DTH with OTT or you're planning a complete leap into IP, we're here to listen and help you in this venture. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening to uCast Talks. So if you find this episode useful, share it with your team and subscribe for more industry insights. Until next time, keep streaming smarter and bye-bye.